Yes. So this is our construction part. Already we have constructed the similar triangle. Which is that similar triangle? A dash B C dash is the triangle which is similar to triangle, our given triangle, which is that A B C. And the ratio of their corresponding sides is how much? 2:3 or 2/3. Now here, let us justify it. Before the justification, you should know about what are equiangular triangles. Consider this is triangle 1 and this is another triangle. Their size is different, shape is same, and they are called as equiangular triangles when under the condition that if one angle here is 60, here also one angle should be 60. If one angle here is 50, then here also one angle should be what degree? 50. Any one angle, 50 degree. Now total sum how much it is? 110. What must be the third angle then? The third angle here is what? 70. Here also the third angle should be what degree? 70. So in this way, if two triangles are having all the three angles of one triangle equal to corresponding three angles of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be equiangular triangles. And if the two triangles are equiangular, then they are always similar. And if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal ratios. Means AB upon A dash B, BC upon BC dash, AC upon A dash C dash. Their corresponding sides are equal. When triangles are equiangular. So this is about the equiangular part. One thing. Second thing, you also know the knowledge that you have the knowledge about parallel lines. When two lines are parallel and if a line intersect to it, then their corresponding angles are equal. So these two things we need here in the justification. So let me clarify. So here, first here, in a triangle A dash B C dash and another triangle A B C. In both this triangle, you know A dash C dash is parallel to AC. We already did it. Therefore, you know that if two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal. So these are the two corresponding angles. That's why I written here. These two angles are equal. At the same time, these two angles are also what? Equal. What? Corresponding angles. So this is corresponding angle. Third thing is angle B. See here angle B. For A dash B C dash as well as for A B C. This is a common angle. That's why I written here common angle. Its meaning is in triangle A dash B C dash and triangle A B C, both the triangles, all the three angles are equal to each other. This angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle is the common angle. And if two triangles are having all the three angles equal, then I just now told you those two triangles are said to be which triangles? Equiangular triangles. And if the triangles are equiangular, I have already told the triangles are similar. And if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal ratios. So corresponding sides which are those? AB, A dash B, BC, BC dash, AC, A dash C dash. As I have started with the triangle A dash BC dash first, so first I will take the side of the triangle A dash B upon AB is corresponding side is equal to next ratio A dash C dash upon AC. That is the third ratio is BC dash upon BC. All these three ratios will be equal. Why they will be equal? Because the triangles are equiangular. Why the triangles are equiangular? Because there is one theorem which you have to study still. That theorem is called as angle theorem. So according to this, all these three sides are in equal ratios. Now, next step, we know BC dash upon BC is also equal to what? B bit 2 upon B bit 3. So here, B bit 2, how much it is here? 2 units. So I have written here 2. B bit 3, how much it is? 3 units. So it is 3 units. If this is equal. So substitute this value BC dash upon BC is also equal to this and its value is 2/3. From this equation and this equation, from both of these, just I cannot rewrite it as it is. Now here BC dash upon BC is equal to this and its value is how much here? 2/3. This is 2/3. So this is what the ratio of both these triangles. If you have any doubt, you may ask. I know it, justification to understand, it may take time. See the video again and again. Even though if you have any doubts, anytime you call me, I will clarify your doubts. This is not the only one example. I will take one more example, okay, of the same type, and after that I will give you the homework. Okay, so let us discuss another example. Okay, how many minutes it is?